This young army officer became the president of Libya at the age of just 27 years in 1969. For 42 years, he ruled with an iron fist. He was determined to reshape Libya and its place in the world. His name is Muammar Gaddafi. But who was Gaddafi before he became one of the most controversial figures in the modern history? This is the story of a man whose vision changed the course of Libya's destiny. Gaddafi had a revolutionary vision not only for Libya but for the African countries. He played a significant role in the establishment of the African Union called United States of Africa. For Libya and other Arab countries, he envisioned Islamic socialism, rejecting both capitalism and communism. Gaddafi opposed Western influence and colonialism in Libya, Africa, and the Arab world. After seizing power, not only he removed the air bases of US and UK, but also reclaimed the Libya's oil reserves held by USA and UK. With nationalizing the oil industry, Libya, having one of the world's 10 biggest oil reserves, became the only developing country to secure a major share of its oil revenues. Let me tell you a bit about Libya's transformation in Gaddafi's era. After becoming the president, within a few years, Gaddafi made Libya an independent country. For everyone in Libya, the fuel, electricity, and healthcare was free. First time ever in the history of Libya, people were having interest-free loans and free housing. As Gaddafi believed that individuals could not be truly free unless they had control over their basic necessities. Gaddafi also made the eighth wonder of the world, a 1600-kilometer river, the Great Man-Made River, to transport the water from Sahara Desert to the coastal cities of Libya. It remains one of the largest irrigation projects globally. With Libya becoming self-dependent, the superpowers had other plans for Libya. In the next video, watch how and why USA launched Operation El Dorado cannon in Libya. Stay curious.